This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Rstudio and your script. This puts you where work happens. Once open, type getOed in the console to see the current directory because you need that baseline. Now decide whether you want a temporary, session-level change or a persistent, project-level change. If you prefer a quick switch, prepare the target path string and keep it visible. Make sure to note any spaces or special characters since they affect how you write the path. Next, perform the change. Type setOed /path/to/folder in the console because that immediately sets R's working directory. If you prefer the GUI, go to Session, Set Working Directory, and choose Directory. This is easier for long paths. Once done, confirm with getOed to avoid surprises. For persistent behavior, use an Rstudio project. rproj, stored in the desired folder so Rstudio opens there automatically. Make sure to escape backslashes on Windows or use forward slashes. Finally, verify success by running getOed and list files to confirm the files you expect are visible. If setOed fails, stop and check the path spelling, folder permissions, and that you used quotes. On Windows, prefer forward slashes or double backslashes. If problems persist, use here, or an Rstudio project to avoid manual changes. These methods improve reproducibility. If you hit an error, restart R, rerun getOed, and correct the path. This clears session state and often resolves issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.